Welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're diving into the world of artificial intelligence and exploring some of the most powerful and accessible tools available right now. We've compiled a list of 10 incredible AI tools and models from Google that you can try in 2025. These are not only at the forefront of innovation, but are also surprisingly easy to access and experiment with. Google has been a leader in AI research for years, and they've made many of their cutting-edge technologies available for everyone to use, often with a generous free tier. Whether you're a student, a developer, a creative, or just someone curious about the future of technology, there's something on this list for you. We'll show you how these tools can supercharge your productivity and creativity and give you a glimpse into the future. Before we jump in, a quick reminder to support our work. If you find this video helpful and engaging, please take a moment to like, comment, and share it with your network. And if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on our future content. Your support helps us create more videos like this. We're about to explore everything from text and image generation to advanced research assistants and more. So, get ready to discover some truly amazing AI capabilities. Without further ado, let's get started with our list of 10 Google's free AI tools and models you should try in 2025. Continuing our countdown, let's talk about Whisk, a fascinating experimental tool from Google Labs that redefines how we interact with generative AI. While many AI image tools rely solely on detailed text prompts, Whisk takes a more visual approach. This innovative tool allows you to create new images by using other images as your inspiration. You can provide up to 3 visual inputs, one for a subject, another for a scene or environment, and a third to define the artistic style. Behind the scenes, this tool uses Google's Gemini model to analyze the images you've provided, turning them into a detailed text prompt. This prompt is then used by Google's powerful image generation model, Gen 3, to create a completely new, blended image. It's perfect for rapid visual brainstorming and exploring new ideas without the need to meticulously write out every detail. The goal is to capture the essence of your visual inputs and remix them in a way that sparks new creative possibilities. While Whisk is designed for quick ideation rather than pixel-perfect editing, its simple and intuitive interface makes it an incredibly powerful tool for artists, designers, and anyone looking to visualize concepts in a new way. Additionally, for those with a Google One AI premium subscription, a feature called Whisk Animate allows you to turn your creations into short, vivid videos. It's a seamless way to bring your still images to life, showcasing the evolving capabilities of Google's AI models. Next on our list is an AI tool that has been making some serious waves in the creative community, often referred to by its unique codename, Nano Banana. This isn't just a quirky name. It's the unofficial moniker for Google's Gemini 2.5 Flash image model. While most generative AI models excel at creating new images from scratch, Nano Banana's true strength lies in its incredible ability to edit and manipulate existing photos with unprecedented precision and consistency. What makes Nano Banana so powerful is that it allows you to perform complex edits using only simple, natural language prompts. You can effortlessly change a person's outfit, swap out a background, or even remove an object from a photo just by describing what you want. A major breakthrough with this model is its ability to maintain character consistency, which means you can place the same person or object into multiple scenes without their appearance changing, a task that has historically been a huge challenge for AI. For those of you looking to try it out, Google provides several ways to access this technology. The easiest path for a general user is through the Gemini app, where the model is integrated to handle a wide range of image-related requests. For developers and enthusiasts who want to get hands-on, the model is freely available to experiment within the Google AI Studio, where you can test prompts and build custom applications. It's also accessible via the Gemini API, allowing developers to embed its powerful capabilities into their own projects and workflows. Coming in at number 8 is Stitch, an incredibly powerful and innovative AI tool from Google Labs. Now, to be clear, this isn't a tool for sewing or crafting. It's a revolutionary new way to design and build user interfaces for websites and mobile applications. Stitch leverages the power of Google's latest AI models to turn simple text prompts or even hand-drawn sketches into fully functional, aesthetically pleasing UI designs. It's a game-changer for anyone who has an idea for an app or website, but doesn't have the design or coding expertise to bring it to life. What makes Stitch so unique is its seamless workflow. You can simply describe the type of interface you want, for example, a sleek, dark-themed dashboard for a project management app with a Kanban board, and within seconds, the tool generates a complete visual layout. But it doesn't stop there. Stitch also provides the clean, corresponding front-end code, such as HTML and CSS, that developers can use to build the application. This bridges the gap between design and development, drastically cutting down on the time it takes to go from a concept to a working prototype. Stitch is an invaluable tool for a wide range of users. For entrepreneurs and startups, It's a quick and cost-effective way to create a functional MVP to validate a business idea. For designers, it's a great way to overcome creative blocks and generate multiple layout variations in a flash before refining them. Developers can also use it to generate the initial front-end structure and get a head start on a project. You can access this free-to-try tool by visiting Google Labs, where it's available as an experiment for anyone to test and explore its impressive capabilities. At number 7, we have Google AI Studio, a truly remarkable and versatile platform that serves as a gateway to experimenting with Google's most advanced AI models, including the powerful Gemini family. Think of it as an all-in-one playground where you can conceptualize ideas, generate text, create stunning images and videos, and even prototype entire applications powered by AI, all within a single, intuitive interface. It's designed to be accessible for everyone, whether you're a seasoned developer looking to build the next big AI-powered product or a curious individual simply wanting to explore the capabilities of cutting-edge AI. What makes Google AI Studio stand out is its breadth of features and its free accessibility. You can engage in conversational AI, generating text responses from a myriad of queries, or dive into creative media generation, transforming descriptive prompts into high-resolution images and short video clips using models like Imagen and Veo. The platform also offers a Build tab, which allows you to develop and deploy working applications directly from your browser, powered by AI. Plus, features like real-time streaming and multimodal inputs, allowing you to upload documents, images, or even YouTube links for analysis, make it an incredibly dynamic tool for productivity and learning. The beauty of Google AI Studio lies in its ability to let you experiment without barriers. It provides direct access to Google's latest models, often showcasing previews of new features before they roll out elsewhere. For developers, it simplifies the process of prototyping and iterating on AI ideas, offering seamless integration with the Gemini API and the ability to export code in various programming languages. Even if you're not a coder, you can explore its capabilities through the user-friendly chat interface and media generation tools, making it an essential resource for anyone looking to harness the power of AI in 2025. Taking the number 6 spot is Firebase Studio, a game-changing cloud-based development environment that completely redefines how applications are built. This powerful tool is the evolution of what was formerly known as Project IDX, and it's specifically designed to help you create, test, and deploy full-stack, AI-powered applications with unprecedented speed. At its core, Firebase Studio is a cloud IDE that unifies the power of Google's Firebase services with the generative capabilities of the Gemini models, all accessible directly from your web browser. What makes this platform so revolutionary is its agentic AI. Instead of just suggesting code snippets, the AI within Firebase Studio can act as a true collaborator, writing entire app components, debugging code, and even generating a fully functional app prototype from a simple text description or an uploaded image. You can simply tell it what you want, for example, build a social media app with user profiles and a real-time chat function, and the AI will generate the necessary code for both the front-end and back-end, handling the complex setup for you. Firebase Studio is an ideal tool for a wide range of creators. For entrepreneurs and non-technical founders, it provides a way to turn a raw idea into a working prototype in a matter of minutes, without the need for extensive coding knowledge. For professional developers, it streamlines workflows, automates repetitive tasks, and allows for rapid iteration and testing. It also comes with built-in previews and emulators for web and mobile, ensuring you can see your app in action as you build. This powerful, free-to-try platform is truly a glimpse into the future of software development. Our next tool is truly for the storytellers and filmmakers out there. Number 5 is Flow, a groundbreaking AI-powered filmmaking tool from Google Labs. Unlike tools that simply generate short, isolated video clips, Flow is designed to help you create cinematic scenes and cohesive narratives with remarkable consistency. It's a creative workspace that gives you the power to bring entire stories to life, from a single idea to a polished, multi-shot sequence. What sets Flow apart is its unique ability to maintain continuity, which is a major challenge for many AI video generators. The tool's ingredients to video feature allows you to upload or generate specific characters, objects, and styles that the AI will consistently reference throughout your creations. This means your main character will look the same from one shot to the next, even as the setting and action change. You can also use its frames to video feature to generate a smooth transition between two static images or to animate an existing photograph with new motion and action. Flow is powered by Google's cutting-edge Veo and Imagen models, giving you access to some of the most advanced video and image generation capabilities available. It's the perfect tool for independent filmmakers, animators, and content creators looking to bypass the complexities of traditional production. While there is a free tier with a limited number of monthly credits, you can get the full experience and access to the most powerful models through a Google AI subscription. allowing you to generate professional quality content and unlock new creative possibilities. Next up, we have NotebookLM, which has evolved into the ultimate AI-powered research and writing assistant. While most AI chatbots are trained on a vast and general dataset from the web, NotebookLM is fundamentally different. It's a personal AI that is grounded entirely in the sources you provide, whether they are Google Docs, PDFs, web URLs, or even YouTube video transcripts. This means that every answer, every summary, and every insight it provides is directly tied to your specific documents, and it even provides inline citations so you can easily verify the information for yourself. What makes NotebookLM a game-changer in 2025 are its new, incredible features that go far beyond simple summarization. You can now generate audio overviews that turn your source materials into a podcast-style conversation between two AI hosts, allowing you to learn and review information while on the go. Additionally, the recently launched Video Overviews feature can transform your documents into a concise, narrated video presentation. The tool can also automatically create visual mind maps to help you see connections between complex topics and can even discover and integrate relevant news sources from the web to expand your research. NotebookLM is an invaluable tool for students, researchers, writers, and anyone who deals with large volumes of information. It acts as your personal expert, helping you to understand complex topics, identify key themes, and get answers to questions instantly, all while saving countless hours of manual work. It's available as a free-to-try tool directly through your web browser and now has a dedicated mobile app, making this powerful research assistant accessible wherever you are. Our third spot goes to a truly revolutionary tool, Google Opal. This is an experimental AI app builder from Google Labs that is fundamentally changing what it means to create software. Opal allows you to build powerful, custom mini-apps just by describing your idea in natural language, no coding required. It's part of a new movement called vibe coding, where the focus shifts from the technical details of code to the intent and flow of your application. This tool is a major step toward making app creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their technical background. Opal works by leveraging the power of Google's Gemini AI to interpret your plain English prompts and instantly translate them into a visual workflow. This workflow is a series of interconnected nodes, each representing a step in your app's logic, from taking the user input to generating a response. You can then refine this workflow using a simple drag-and-drop editor, or you can continue to chat with the AI to make changes. It's an incredibly fast way to prototype, test, and iterate on a new idea, allowing you to turn a concept into a working product in a matter of minutes. This tool is a perfect fit for a wide audience, from entrepreneurs looking to build a quick proof of concept to students experimenting with AI, and even professional developers who need a lightning-fast way to prototype. However, it's important to note that Opal is currently in a public beta phase. For now, it is only available to users in the United States as Google gathers feedback and refines the platform. This makes it an exciting, cutting-edge tool that offers a glimpse into the future of accessible software development. Coming in at number 2 is Google Veo 3, the latest and most advanced AI video generation model from Google. Veo 3 represents a monumental leap forward in the world of generative AI, moving beyond silent video clips to create cinematic masterpieces with fully integrated, native audio. This means that when you generate a video, Veo 3 doesn't just produce stunning visuals, it also creates a synchronized soundtrack, complete with sound effects, ambient noises, and even realistic dialogue with perfectly matched lip syncing. This breakthrough eliminates the need for manual audio editing and makes the videos feel incredibly immersive and lifelike. What makes Veo 3 so powerful is its deep understanding of cinematic language and real-world physics. You can input complex prompts that describe specific camera movements, like a slow pan over a city skyline or a close-up tracking shot, and the model will execute them with impressive accuracy. It also excels at maintaining character consistency and style across multiple shots, allowing you to create a cohesive narrative. The model can even take a single static image and, using its image-to-video feature, bring it to life with subtle movements or dramatic animations, opening up a world of creative possibilities for animators and creators. While Veo 3 is a premium model, Google has made it accessible for everyone to try for free through several of its other tools. As we mentioned earlier, you can access it directly within the Flow app on Google Labs, which offers a free credit system for your video generations. Additionally, you can experiment with its full capabilities within Google AI Studio, where developers and creators can test prompts and create videos with a free quota. Most recently, a limited version of Veo 3 has also been integrated into Google Photos, allowing you to animate your own pictures with a few simple taps. And finally, topping our list at number 1 is the most powerful and intelligent model Google has ever released, Gemini 2.5 Pro. This is far more than just a chatbot. It is a multimodal reasoning engine that can process and understand information across text, images, audio, and even video at the same time. Unlike earlier versions, Gemini 2.5 Pro is a thinking model that can reason through complex problems and generate highly accurate and nuanced responses. It is the core AI that powers many of the tools we've already discussed and represents the pinnacle of Google's AI research. What makes Gemini 2.5 Pro so extraordinary are its enhanced capabilities. It's a leap forward in advanced coding, capable of not only writing and debugging code, but also building entire applications from a single prompt. For researchers and students, its massive 1 million token context window allows it to analyze and synthesize information from hundreds of pages of documents, providing comprehensive summaries and insights. It also features a new deep think mode that uses parallel reasoning to solve incredibly difficult problems in math, science, and logic, setting a new standard for AI performance. The great news is that you don't need to be a developer to get your hands on this powerful model. A limited-use version of Gemini 2.5 Pro is available for free in the Google Gemini app for everyone to try. For those who want more, a Google AI Pro subscription unlocks higher limits, along with exclusive access to features like deep research and seamless integration into apps like Gmail and Docs. For developers, the model is freely accessible with a generous usage quota in Google AI Studio, making it the perfect playground for building the next generation of AI-powered applications. And that's a wrap of our countdown of 10 of Google's best free AI tools and models you should try in 2025. We hope this video gave you a clear look into the incredible power and potential of these tools. From creating cinematic videos with VO3 to building your own apps with Firebase Studio, it's clear that Google is making AI more accessible to everyone. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, please do us a huge favor. Give it a like to help us reach more people, drop a comment below to let us know which tool you're most excited to try, and share it with your friends and family. And of course, if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our future tech breakdowns and tutorials. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you in the next one.